What is security alert in Facebook? Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Messenger application on your device. Now all the chats in Messenger are end-to-end encrypted, which means they are completely secure and no one can hack them. But whenever there is security change in a contact, like for example if someone reinstalls Messenger, logs out and logs back in, or removes and re-adds their number, you'll be receiving the security alerts to let you know that what action you might need to take. So if there's any sort of risk to your account, you'll get alerts about it. What we can do over here is you can simply tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and select on settings. As you tap on settings, you can see the option of privacy and safety. So select on that and simply tap on the option of end-to-end encrypted chat. Tap on security alerts as you can see and tap on manage security alerts. So make sure that you have toggle on your devices or keys change and contact devices or keys change. So this will just alert you whenever you have any sort of queries or when you have any sort of logins. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.